Why open stock is kind of undervalued right now after the earnings that we got last week. Yes, the earnings weren't that good. We were down 91%, but it's way better than the last earnings, almost 1,000% down. Even though we are down, but the revenue is really good. That's why we were consolidating after the earning between the 4 and the 5. And now we went down 5% after the bad earnings last Thursday after hours. So in today's video, we have to discuss is it undervalued? Should we buy it right now? When we should buy, when the price will reverse, and when the market maker actually will buy open. Before we go further, guys, remember, as usual, our content always here for educational purposes only. So first of all, let us discuss this channel because we didn't break it yet. Back in November 2025, we have a huge dip, bad earnings, but we reverse. Then we continue to go down for the next earnings in February. We reverse up. Then we went down. We almost tested the bottom from this channel. And here we tested the channel from above before the earnings. And during the earnings, we didn't even test this level up. So the $6, it is the major level where the short seller added, and this is where we're gonna confirm that the market maker started to buy. However, the next level that we should hold is over the 422. So for now, we're still consolidating in this channel down, so we kind of bearish. However, in the big picture, we're still in the bullish run. Because if you see here back in 2025, when we did the huge run here, almost 1,000%. So technically from the last year and this year, let me just see, we like almost 1 year, we're still up 600%. Yeah, we're down from the 1,600, we lost half. From the all-time high around the $10, we went almost half right now around the 4 or the 5. That's okay, but in the big picture, we're still up 600%. So if we continue to go down, we're still technically up, guys. Even if we went toward the $2, $3, we're still up. However, if we want to have a faster reversal, if we want to confirm if open right now, price share of open right now, it is undervalued. We need to hold the 422 and go over the $6 before the end of this year. I'm talking about the big picture, guys. The big picture is still bullish, and we're gonna confirm if open is undervalued once we break the $6 and go toward the almost the $7 and the $8 before the end of this year. So the target, for my opinion, here should be around the 940 or the 950 if we currently undervalued, and the market maker and the whale see open is undervalued right now after the earnings. We need to break the 6, hold the 422 and go toward the 7 and 8. Otherwise, if we're not undervalued, if it's like over expensive right now and the short seller is controlling and adding around the 6, watch out for the one major turning point, which is breaking the $4.22 and go toward the $3.15. So there's two levels where we might have the market maker buying again, is around the $3.15 and the 178. I will watch for those two levels. I'm not saying that we're gonna go there like in 1 day. No, this will take a while, few weeks, few months. So this play is high reward, high risk, high reward. So I'm watching for those two levels around the 3 and the 1, almost the $2, and of course watching the 6. If we broke it, is mean we're not gonna even go back down out of the 3, and we go faster toward the 7 and 8 and maybe even over the 10 at the end of this year. We're gonna discuss, of course, open and other stocks, because as usual we always do a major update for our hunters to discuss the market. And of course we did a really good trade for many stocks, like as you can see here, we did for open before the earnings, but we didn't break the level of resistance. We did other update as you can see here for ARM before the earnings. that jumped up, then pulled back. We did a really good play on Snap that jumped before the earnings. So of course we're gonna do a continuation update. If we have a breakout from the 6, we're gonna do it update for our Discord and Patreon, the link in description below. And after that we do our live streaming usually every time 30 minutes before the market opens. So make sure to tune in tomorrow, because we're going to discuss open at the market open, discuss the chart and update the chart, of course, and discuss other stocks like AMC, GameStop, and Unicorn, or the stocks that have FDA approval or news before the market open, because there's every day, guys, there is opportunity to trade the market and capitalize on either the bull run or the bearish reversal from the bottom. So join us tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.